One of the types of injuries we see most frequently in a personal injury law practice is injuries to the back, either the upper back, the cervical spine, the neck, the middle back, thoracic spine, or the low back, the lumbar spine. The spine is basically a column of bones called vertebra, and between those vertebra you have disc that essentially act as shock absorbers in the spine. In life, as we go along, we begin to have age-related changes. And anybody over certainly their 20s, perhaps anybody over 18, is going to begin to have some age-related changes in the disc and in the vertebra. You have a little degeneration of the disc, you have some drying of the vertebra. But we can go through life often until we're 85 or 90 years old without that being really a problem. Then some trauma comes along from whatever reason, maybe from a wreck, maybe from something else, that causes that to be aggravated and get worse. Very often we see people who have a back injury who have the inner part of the disc bulging out and has begun to cause problems for them and cause pain. Then it goes to the next level where the inner part of the disc is herniated and pressing directly on a nerve, which can be quite painful and debilitating. And here's an example of one of these discs with basically the jelly all out of the donut. And that would be very painful and require surgery. If you have an injury of this sort caused by someone else's carelessness and you've decided that you need a lawyer, you need to go to somebody who has tried a lot of cases, who knows how to graphically and clearly present the medicine and present what the surgery was, if surgery was required, and to try these cases before a jury with confidence and capability and clarity. And it's generally important to get about it fairly quickly so that there is time to get things done properly. If you go about it that way, you probably have a better result.